She's so pretty. I like. Oh, oh, oh. Rise and shine. It's a beautiful day and another day raising Ryan. Say hi, buddy. He's like, I done my duty. He wants to go out. I was like, I love you. It is Thursday today. It's actually really cool right now, so it's beautiful. And we are about to water our plants because they need some, and one died, guys. So this one died. These are still going. My flowers are still going. Hey, look at the strawberry, guys. It's getting red and it's growing. Ryan is, look how cute Ryan's outfit is. Okay. I don't think it's gonna rain today, guys. Supposedly it's going to rain, but I don't know. Guys, I feel like I talk a lot about the weather. I need to cool it down here. Ryan. So grandma is, what in the world? Buddy. He's like determined to get a rock. No. It's a little bit too much water. We need to buy, I don't know what's the exact name for it, but it's, I'm gonna sound so dumb, but we need to buy that thing that you put the water in and that's how you sprinkle the water on the plants, because using the water hose is too much. And it kind of like moves around the plants and the flowers. But hey, it's gonna work for now. How cute are my flowers? Grow, babies, grow! So Ryan went down for a nap and I'm going to watch a movie. We didn't get to watch Split last night, but we're going to watch it when Matt gets home. He was really tired, and the minute I got done with the vlog, I went to sleep too. It was pretty tiring, but we'll see what we'll do today. I'm not sure. My poor floor and rug. Ryan did a bunch of spills this morning and they're basically done. The rug's been done. I have used the carpet cleaner 3 times already on that, and I don't know, it's just a done deal. So we'll see what we'll do about that, because we cannot keep it like this. It's too much wood for Ryan. We need some kind of fluff around here. Whoa! You see all your cars coming in? Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yep, he is, and he recharged, guys. You're funny. You having a good time, buddy? Messing with some toys. And Matt just got home.
Hi.
How was work?
Not bad. I got,
oh.
I got 2.5 hours of downtime.
So I think we're gonna do some grocery shopping, and still debating about the rug. My poor rug. We actually had that rug for a while because he was not even crawling yet. But at least almost a year.
6 or 8 months.
So it hasn't been that long with that rug, but for being white,
With the baby and your dog.
it's, yeah, it has lived a long life. What are you wearing? What does he have? Some safety glasses?
You gonna wear them? Here, you put them on.
Whoa! Look at you. You look so silly.
Oh, man.
We just got to Menards. I think we're upgrading, guys. I think we're done with the 98-cent carrot bat. We got you a bigger one. Look at that. You're official, buddy. Whoa, is that cool? Yes. This is where the damage happens. Aren't those so pretty, Matt?
Yeah.
You should buy me one. So we are heading to Target now, and Matt just said we're under tornado warning.
Watch.
Oh, watch. There's warning. Warning is worse, right?
Yeah. Tornado watch means there's a possibility of tornadoes. Tornado warning means there's a tornado somewhere in the area.
Yeah. Which, it's actually really common to be under tornado watch. So.
Especially this time of year.
Yeah.
Summertime when it's hot and rainy and cloudy, thunderstorms.
I hate it. But we're gonna continue shopping.
We ain't scared.
We're Californians, but we ain't scared. We are scared. I am.
Let's go hide in our tiny little closet.
I guess so. That'll work. But I still want to go to Target. Let's go. Oh, you see a cool cup? I love the dollar section. But we're not taking it. Thank you. You're so nice.
No.
So I decided I want a new rug because it's time for a new one. I really do want the one I have already just because it's so cute and it brings up like a cute little on the edge. Matt's obsessing with those. What about this one? Oh, that one's super soft. Okay. I don't know which one to take, guys, because I really want white. Buddy! What are you doing? Whoa! What did you find, buddy? Is that Moana? It has... Yeah, Moana.
Uh-oh.
That is so cool. Well, now we're going to Pet World. It's an awesome pet store, you'll see.
Have they not been there before?
No. I think you guys will like it. It's like literally a little zoo. It's just cool.
It's like it's not a big chain pet store like PetSmart, and all their animals, like you can go and touch them, pick them up.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Say hi, buddy. Oh, you see all the bunnies? Hi. Oh. Careful. Oh, thing almost bit him. Or I think it did. How cool, buddy. He's so excited. Whoa. Hello.
Look at it.
Say hi. Oh. Hello. He's playing. Hello. 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 What do you want? You hungry? Say hello. Hi. Hi. You want to get to the camera? Say hello. He said, give me your camera. Give it to me. Hi. You have a pretty face. Matt literally loves this place, and it's because of this bird right here. He wants it so bad. But I keep telling him no. This is Matt's favorite spot. Because of his fish tank. He can be here all day. cow. Oh yeah. Ooh. And it just keeps going, guys. Oh god. Is that a snake? A slithery snake. You see it? Oh. He's trying to escape. He's trying to get out. Look at him. Oh man. That is, I would never. Look at that.
You want one?
Nope.
Why not?
You want one? Never. Just say hi. Go, 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 go. Oh, see, he knows. This is Matt's little friend. I don't know if he'll let him today. Come on. Oh.
Careful. It's on your toe.
Oh. This bunny rules. So big. The other one didn't want to cooperate, so we got this one. She's so pretty. I like. Oh, 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 oh my God, Matt! What are you doing, Matt? Oh my God, Matt! I guess we have to read the signs first because they like to jump. Look how bad that looks, guys.
Josh, that might be a tornado scar. See how it like just cuts off right there?
So, ooh, that looks like a tornado, guys, and that's where Matt's brother and his family lives. It looks really bad. And like I said, where we live, it's straight ahead and there's like no sign, and hopefully it stays like that. But when you look over here, look how crazy that looks. It looks insane. I'm going to get Mr. Ryan. No one's gonna save you. So as you can see, Matt is cleaning his fish tank. He's trying out some new stuff that he bought at Pet World. We love that store. The store's freaking cool. And then Ryan is just loving on this amazing rug we got. Whew, it is risky to have that, but it's so fluffy and soft. That's what convinced us to get it. But that is some risky stuff because it's just not impossible to keep a house nice and clean, especially with white. You need someone like Matt because his
Right, say hi.
Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
No,
Okay.
baseball's more interesting.
Aww. And what I was trying to say, you guys need one like Matt because his arm's like my, what is it? My selfie stick. But anyways.
Hurry up, my arm's getting tired.
Alright. You don't know the struggle, guys. So that was it for today's vlog. You guys, I keep seeing my numbers go up. We are 2 subs away from 100. I'm gonna be confident. I know we will hit it by tomorrow morning. And guys, like I mentioned, we are gonna do something cool. We want to give back. I don't know. We're gonna do something cool. We want to plan this. What do you think?
What do you guys want us to do? That's what we want to know.
Yeah. So, like I mentioned, that is it for today's vlog. I hope... Matt, ow. Guys, can it ever... Ow! Can it ever just be So that is it for today's vlog. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I mean, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I love reading all the comments and commenting back. Oh, I just love it. I love this community. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.
and we will see you guys tomorrow.